Spreadsheet boards represent your projects, milestones, and other portfolio items in a form of a table. This type of view is particularly useful when you need to review the overall portfolio picture, enter or update multiple items at the same time, or analyze the history of the changes. Let me show you how to use a spreadsheet board to copy and paste items from Excel or Google Sheets. To start, prepare a list of items, let's say using Google Sheets. Complete the basic project information, like name, start and end dates. Fill in additional columns, for example department, topic, project manager. Make sure the data about your projects is as structured as possible, and pay attention to spelling. On the next step, let's create a new spreadsheet view. Press the New button, choose Spreadsheet Board, and give it a name. Before you paste, it is important to arrange the columns on your board in the same way as they are in the spreadsheet. As the last preparation step, add custom fields in Portfoleon corresponding to your additional columns. To add the department field, press New column, give the new field its internal one-word name, and a caption, which will be visible on forms and cards. Choose List as data type, and then add values for different departments. Similarly, create topic and project manager fields. You can learn more about fields and their use in Portfoleon in our next videos. When the spreadsheet with your projects is filled in and the structure in Portfoleon matches, we are ready to copy the data. Simply select the cells on the sheet, copy them, and paste into Portfoleon. Now, when your project data is in Portfoleon, you can manage it using familiar spreadsheet functions. Use your browser's hotkey to copy or paste cell values. Drag the lower right corner of a cell in any direction to fill the neighboring cells. Click on the column header to sort or filter by that column. To add a new item in the list, fill in a new row in the bottom of the table. You can also press New Row and fill in project data on the item form. Note that new fields are not visible on the form automatically. To add them, use Form Settings. To open the item form for a project from your spreadsheet, press Show Form. When you've made changes in project's data, you need to apply them. Applied changes create your personal drafts for the impacted items. When you are finished with edits and want to make them visible to your colleagues, then press Apply All Changes. If the list of your projects is long, and you need to draw the stakeholders' attention to a particular subset, create a spreadsheet board with filtering. Let's create a list of marketing projects. For this purpose, I use the general filter when creating the board, and add a condition that the department of items should be equal to marketing. The general filter can be used for any type of the board, and defines which data is taken from the system to be shown on it. The general filter allows to combine conditions with ANDs and ORs, and use subconditions. If you need to quickly analyze the data, use the built-in spreadsheet filter. For example, let's see which work does marketing plan to do on the website. Portfoleon allows you to add colors to a spreadsheet and make the overall picture more comprehensive. To set up color coding, click the Look and Feel button. Then select a field that you want to color code by, and define the color for each value. Spreadsheet boards can be also used to analyze the history of changes. Right-click the spreadsheet and select Compare Against Item from the menu. Enter the date and click OK. The board will highlight the changes which occurred since that date. Right-click again and select Stop Comparison to remove the highlight. If you need to export the list of projects, then right-click on the spreadsheet and select Export Item from the menu. Choose CSV or Excel format, give the export file a name, and use the extracted data. In this video, we've reviewed capabilities of spreadsheet boards. You can switch the view type for any board. For example, I can set up a timeline, a Kanban, and a pivot view for this board to show the same data, but in a different manner. Watch our next videos to learn about other view types.